13 important facts you should know about your kidneys. The kidneys are two bean-shaped organs, each about the size of a fist. They are located just below the rib cage, one on each side of your spine. Your kidneys, ureters, bladder, and urethra are part of your urinary tract. You have two kidneys that filter your blood, removing waste and extra water to make urine. Your kidneys are two of the most important organs in your body, which carry out many jobs in order to keep you healthy. Here are some important facts you should know concerning your kidney. If you're new on Healthy Habits channel, consider subscribing and clicking on the notification bell to be the first to receive newer content. 1. Each kidney carries about 1 to 2 million little filtering systems called nephrons, which are the functional units of the kidney. 2. Our kidneys receive 20 to 25% of all the blood pumped by the heart, which simply means that the kidneys have a higher blood flow than even the brain and the liver. 3. The kidneys filter about 8 liters of blood every hour. This is much, given that a typical adult has a blood volume of approximately 5 liters. 4. All of the blood in your body goes through your kidneys and is filtered every 30 minutes, which is about 50 times every day. 5. The most common cause of kidney stones is not drinking enough liquid, especially water. Drink up. Your kidneys will thank you later. So, make sure you hydrate. 6. You don't need both kidneys. One kidney can work for two, and 75% of one kidney can sustain life comfortably. 7. If a child is born without a kidney, the other one will grow and weigh the same as two kidneys put together. 8. The kidneys produce active vitamin D, which help the body to absorb calcium. 9. Just one donated kidney is required to substitute two failed kidneys. 10. Uncontrolled diabetes and high blood pressure are the biggest causes of kidney failure. 11. Kidney disease has little or no symptoms until the late stage. Chronic kidney disease damages your kidneys slowly over time. 96% of people with early kidney disease don't know it. 12. Most of the drugs we take are removed from the blood by the kidneys, and some of these drugs can actually be harmful for the kidneys. Examples are ibuprofen, aspirins, most antibiotics, and cancer drugs. 13. People with failed kidneys survive with regular dialysis. Dialysis is a form of kidney replacement treatment which helps to remove waste products from the body while awaiting transplantation. Thank you for watching. Hit the like button if you enjoyed this video. Also, don't forget to subscribe.